The government and the church have reportedly reached an agreement for the hosting of watch night service beyond the 10 p.m. curfew. Pastors and the technical personnel have been given the green light to broadcast services up to midnight from various churches on New Year's Eve. President of the Jamaica Association of Evangelicals, Dr. Peter Gart, outlined the agreement while speaking with our news center.
They would allow us to have the technical team and the pastor broadcast do the service, and letters, we would write letters that are stamped, and they'll be able to pass the curfew after midnight. And so we would have the service end at 12 and be given a time, which is normally an hour, to get home, giving the persons, the technical team and the pastor. Many pastors cannot broadcast from their particular home because of the lack of equipment, whereas the equipment is at church, and many churches have the fiber optic cables, and their upload is much better, so they can go out on the various platform instead of doing it from home.